Morning.
Good morning.
Everybody slept through the night last night. Yay!
Good
Day's
morning,
off to a
Kaya.
good start.
Good morning, Canoe.
Does he see a cat in that picture? The kayak picture? He was meowing.
No.
Huh?
Good morning to our Looney and Toonie, too. Good morning, Hockey. Yeah.
Everyone slept through the night last night, so we're feeling pretty good, aren't we, Roman?
There's a cow.
Oh, it feels so much better to get a good night's sleep and then enjoy the day. So it's a bit cool out this morning and a little rainy, so we're having Uncle Wes brought along his waffle iron, commercial grade, because Uncle Wes gets everything the best. Hey Ari, and Ari's looking for some sprinkles, I think. Don't eat them plain, you gotta wait for the waffles.
Let's test it. Alright, let's test out this one.
Me and Grampy are sitting with the babies and
You
John.
want to start this one?
Did Alice, when she was young, shave the sheep?
Is that called a Belgian waffle?
I don't know.
Delicious though.
It's not burned, Ari.
And I'm actually a little concerned about the
Alright, go for it.
It's not burned, that's how it's supposed to look. Oh man, those look amazing. Alright, that's good, that's good. Whoa.
Sprinkles.
Extra sprinkles. You think that's...
Are you ready for your waffle? Do you want half or whole?
Lex, do you want waffle?
Can she have half of this one, Ari, or you can eat the whole thing?
I'm gonna eat.
Can you put her in the little seat?
She can have.
Yeah, she can sit in one of these baby chairs. How is it?
Alright, the other ones are ready for consumption, so
Woohoo!
start going for it.
Lux, when you're done that, you want another one, but I'm getting another one. It has even more syrup in it.
3, 2, 1. Wow, you can't miss that. It's probably so loud. Oh, look at that. Delish.
Here you go, Bill.
To the hot plate. There's mine. I have to eat like a child and have my breakfast cut up for me because I have to eat with one hand now.
There you
Do you
go.
want this?
Waffles are good.
Thanks, babe.
I'm gonna make
Out for a walk. Enjoying the nice cool morning.
Am I gonna make it?
Am I supposed to jump
I
in?
don't know. We're out for a walk enjoying the nice cool morning.
Did you get that?
No. There was a mosquito on my head. John just slapped me in the head. Take it over.
And I missed it.
Anyway, we always notice since we've transitioned to one nap around the time of when the old first nap was, the twins start to get a little crabby. And the best way to make them happy again is to take them for a walk. They love stroller rides. Quite right down here, Roman. I just like to have a quiet minute to just sit and rest and take in their surroundings. Yeah.
I'm gonna put bug spray all over my house so no bugs will go inside.
Oh, that's a good idea. Do you think you have to spray it every day though?
Yes.
Okay, that'll be like a full-time job.
I'm gonna do it every morning.
Every morning you'll go outside and
Before
spray.
I even have my breakfast made.
You spray your house?
Yes. The whole thing.
Good idea.
I'll
Yeah.
have to
Out
have
here
like-
on this big road it's okay, but back where our cottage is, it's really wooded. And in the back where we sit by the fireplace, it's fine because there's a breeze and the lake. But in the front, it's like mosquito alleyway. It's terrible. So Ari's learning all about the wonders of bug spray. Here we are, Camp Wacko. Is that a nice walk?
It's a good walk.
It's a good walk. Now, some playtime, some lunch,
Yeah.
nap, and then I think we're gonna go out this afternoon. We're pulling out of the cottage and we're on our way to downtown Penetanguishene?
Penetang, as they call it.
It's a very cool day today. What is it? 59 degrees
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit, which is like what? The low teens, below 15 degrees Celsius, I would guess. So it's definitely not a beach day today. Tomorrow it's going to be a lot warmer, but today we're just using the cool weather. We went for a walk this morning and now we're heading out to enjoy the downtown area. We're just admiring the scenery as we drive through this countryside area in small town Ontario. It's so pretty. All the wildflowers are in bloom, what do you say, blossomed at the side of the road. There's these gorgeous little farms on every side. It's so beautiful. We were thinking about when we went to Prince Edward Island a couple years ago with Ari, before the twins were born, and it was so gorgeous there. It was like, John said it was like driving in a different country.
Yeah, it felt like we were driving in like England or Scotland because there's no like straight highway that goes across Prince Edward Island. It's just these connected roads that weave in and out of the countryside, and it's incredibly beautiful.
Oh, look at those cows. There they are. Just barely caught them. You can tell that I grew up in the suburbs because I'm like, oh, cows. I'm sure anyone who lives in the country is like, why would you ever show cows? It's basically like seeing wildlife where I'm from. So we drove all the way to Midland and texted my parents to meet up with them. They had left a couple hours earlier because our kids were sleeping, and they had already
Romans.
So we got a coffee and then we came back home. Now we're sitting in the sunroom of the cottage and watching the little ones play. You can see the lake out there.
I'm just having my pouch.
Yeah, John's just
Banana, apple, apricot, and rice is one of my favorites.
a lot of pouches have been eaten.
Oh.
It looks like Justin's getting up from the hammock outside.
Zoom in on Justin.
Yeah. Justin is the looks of our family.
He's the model.
There's 3 hammocks? Oh my word.
There he goes. Could you see him? There's his wife.
The other looks of the family. Hey Justin, how's it going?
All right, here we go. We're moving another table in.
It's too cold to eat outside, so we're moving all the furniture around in here. Sorry about the
So we got the 2 strongest guys to move it.
Sorry, Uncle Les.
So Wes and Caitlin got here and realized that they left their booster seat for their kids at home. This is maybe the most ingenuitive booster seat I've ever seen. They found the inside of a kayak, right? A kayak seat. And they attached it to the chair, and now they're using their ratchet strap from the way that they attach their luggage carrier to their van, right?
And that's how you keep a toddler seated. Hot tip.
What's Daddy doing, Lux?
Hot tip.
Is he ratcheting you in?
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh, maybe that's the bed she gave us.
And Poppy's in one too, which is
So low.
which is even funnier.
Hi.
Do you like that?
Poppy.
She's tied in with an apron.
Did you?
They go in this
Well,
and this.
I gotta tell you, that's one of the best
give me some
parenting
fish.
hacks I've ever seen.
With the box.
Jenna made this amazing meal. Fried fish. Jenna and Justin. Justin doesn't even get to sit down.
The fish.
And fried it. And Jenna made potatoes and zucchini from her garden.
This is in your garden?
The fish.
This is so good.
The fish are perched from Lake Erie about 40 feet down, if I had to guess.
You know that old garage just south of.
What's that Grandpa says?
Yeah.
That one cottage that looks like a castle.
Yeah. A castle.
Oh, so you falling out?
I'm falling out.
She knows that.
This is no longer a hot tip.
I know. We would not recommend kayak seats as booster chairs.
I've ratchet straps.
I think she thinks it's fun to do that.
I don't care.
she's
Throw
trying
her in the towel. Lex.
She's trying to
Just do what you want. Go live your life.
Ira's loving the fish.
John has the best setup over here.
Yeah, he said no one to bother him. Alright, you know what we should do? Go get the chocolate sprinkles and cover it in chocolate again.
Yeah.
No.
No way,
Not
mister.
allowed. Your mom
So-
won't let me.
Wait, Ari, did you? Ari, did you?
Who wants this?
He's done.
Ari only ate the chocolate, so
Maybe
someone.
the baby's
The ice
eating
cream's
ice
up for
cream.
grabs.
Who wants this?
Can Ira and Rowan have a
Can
bite?
Roman have it, or do you want to eat it?
Thank you, Ari. That's so
Aw.
generous.
Rowan, here comes some ice cream.
Oh,
No, Ari only likes vanilla.
Ira, who's first? Rowan? Oh, he has a mouthful of
He
watermelon.
only likes like double death by chocolate
Oh.
ice cream with peanut butter in it.
Oh, he's gonna have a brain freeze.
And he likes Superman. He likes Superman.
The Superman ice cream.